Hi, in this video we'll learn how to loop over multiple sequences. We can loop over two or more sequences at the same time. For example, here we have three lists. The first list contains English words, the second list contains the German counterparts, and the third list contains the French counterparts. So for example, the English cat is Katze in German and Chat in French. And the output we want to have is the following. We want to have the language and the word, language, word again, and this all should be formatted in three columns like here. Okay, so let me comment it now. Now to loop over these three sequences, we're going to use the zip function. So for n, d, fr, n, now we're using the zip function to zip our three lists. Words English, words German, and words French. Okay, and now we want to print the three columns. So print, I'm using an F string here, and in the first column we should have English column, and then we have a placeholder, and in the placeholder we want the current value in each iteration of this variable, so en, and we want to format it to be 10 characters wide. Then in the middle column we need German column and another placeholder. In this placeholder we need the current value of this variable, so d, and also formatted to be 10 characters wide. Finally, in the last column we want the word French followed by a colon, and then the placeholder to hold the current value of this variable. And actually we don't have to format this to be 10 characters wide because this is the last column. And now let's run the code. And here's what we get. Our string formatted the way we wanted. Okay, that's it for this video. If you like it, a thumbs up would be great. Also, make sure to subscribe for future videos. If you want to leave a comment or ask a question, you're welcome to do so. Thanks for watching.